Hey, here's a quick video. So here's what you do when you log in, create an account. You'll come into the console to the dashboard. Go under Available Portfolios, and then if you scroll down, you'll see High Yield here. All you need to do is click Add. I'll give you this code, and after you add that, it'll add it under My Portfolios, and you see here under High Yield every ticker that is in Jesse's spreadsheet. And all you need to do, I just click here and sort it alphabetically. And when you scroll down, like for example, if you own CCI here, you literally just add, the number of shares, and then here, and then down here, the purchase price. So you let it 65, hit add, and it's as simple as that. You don't need to change this asset type. That's for something else. All you need to do is hit add. You can delete, but I don't recommend it. I would just edit the number of shares, like through here, if you need to edit the number of shares. If you delete, it'll delete the entire ticker from the portfolio. And then next, if you go under dashboard, you'll see a summary here. This is actually designed when you have more than one portfolio, but for this video, this is just high yield. So now you see here the value, the weighting, cost basis, your gain and loss, your return. The dividend yield right now takes about 30 seconds to refresh because it's pulling it real time. We're going to change that. So let's say we click on high yield, and now you can see, the value, and then under tickers on the right, you can see each of the tickers, the dollar amount, and then the percent. This will take a second to refresh here. So we'll give that a little more time, but it'll show you the expected annual dividend, your return, and then the dividend yield as well. So, one note, I did put in here cash. So you can, I'll explain that in a second. So now you see this refresh. So I can see based on this portfolio, my annual dividend, the return, total return, and then dividend yield on the portfolio. Now, last thing, if you go under My Portfolios and you see high yield, you can add more tickers if you'd like. You can also add a custom asset. So, for example, if you had a rental property, and you wanted to add that in, let's say it's real estate, put a market price of $1, and you add that, sort this, turn this to 100 here, go down to real estate or rental property here. And if you add that, let's say you had $75,000 in equity. So I put this at 1. So you just put in the value, hit add. And then if you come back up to your dashboard here and click on this, now you'll see real estate listed under 75,000. So the idea here is, the whole, not only this portfolio and the information for high yield, but also allows you to enter in custom assets. Like that's how I put cash in my account, or in theory, an account. If I own a rental property, for example, with this equity, I could put that in there, and then it breaks out the allocation for you. And then on the right, obviously, it has the weighting and the value of the tickers. And then down here, like I said, this bottom section takes about 30 seconds to refresh or less right now, and I'm working to improve that. But what that will do is, give you real time dividend information. And okay, that's it for this video. I could go longer, but want to send this. I'll send you a link to create an account. Also, if you're interested, I'll send you the PIN so that way you can create the high yield portfolio. Thanks.